Of course, we're heading into the 4th of July, and Mother Nature says, you know what? I want to make it a good one for you.
And it's going to be a good one. The latter half of the week, if you don't like the heat, well, you might not like what's coming. But let's start with today. Today, so far, pretty comfortable. Seeing slivers of the sun there from our mission-based sky cam. Eventually the sun will make an appearance here along the coast. It's just gradual clearing, so just be patient. It is coming. Right now, current temperatures here, we are at 63 degrees in Escondido, 63 in Kearney Mesa. Good morning in Metro San Diego, 64, and in Alpine you are currently at 61 degrees. While temperatures in our area going to be nice today, quite the opposite situation on the opposite coast. On the East Coast, humid and hot. In New York, it's going to be well into the 90s, almost 100, but you add that humidity, pretty miserable for today. They are in the beginning of their heat wave. Again, our heat wave is a little bit later on in the week, but for 4th of July, the coast is going to be in the lower 70s. Inland will be warmer at 82 degrees, the desert's 104, and the mountains, blue skies there, 79 degrees. For today, your forecast highs upper 60s to lower 70s along our coastline. It's going to be warmer in our inland spots, but we are still below average up in Julian, 81 degrees today. 7-day forecast here along the coast, so we're going to stay in the 70s for most of the week, but then latter half of the week, that's when we start our heat wave. We're talking about 80s along the coast Friday into Saturday. In our inland valleys, upper 70s today, 82 by 4th of July, and then 97 by Friday into Saturday. The mountains, plenty of sunshine to go around. The desert's hot all week.